Hi everyone, Sergio Benavides here, your immigration attorney in the Bay Area. This video I'm talking about police misconduct and what you can do about it. It's all over the local Bay Area newspapers that in Contra Costa, Antioch is in Contra Costa, the police are being investigated and there are lawsuits for police corruption and racism. And as a result, the Contra Costa County District Attorney's Office is now dismissing dozens, if not hundreds, of criminal cases due to systematic racism and corruption. So this is big news because the community needs to trust and know that their police are not racists and are not corrupt. So I wanted to talk about police complaints. What can you do if you've been subject to racism or police corruption? We shouldn't accept this. It's not okay. We need to take action. So what can a common citizen do? Well, a couple things. I'm a criminal defense attorney, so I wouldn't handle a civil suit where you want to sue the police for mistreating you. But what you can do is common citizens can go down to the local police department. So that's why it's really important to take note of the officer's badge so that when you go down to the police department, you tell the police you want to file a citizen's complaint against a particular officer for misconduct. You file a police complaint, you list the officer's badge, and then the police department will conduct an internal investigation and they will make reports on that particular officer. And it'll stay in their personnel file. And so that's good because later, if you want to sue the police, there's going to be a record of misconduct and abuses, not just from you, but other people. And it might make your civil case where you sue the city stronger. And if the police officer is corrupt or racist, well, maybe they'll eventually get fired if enough people file complaints. For me, as the criminal defense attorney, what if later on you might be accused of resisting the police during a traffic stop and it's all a lie? They beat you up, they mistreated you, and then they file charges against you for battery on a police officer, which is what they did to you, and resisting arrest, as well as, let's say, driving without a license or DUI. Well, when I'm in court for defending against those charges that the police, fabricated, one of the things that we as defense attorneys can do is file a motion to get access to prior citizen complaints of falsification of police reports, of racism, of unlawful violence, and other things. And so we have a right as defense attorneys to gain some access to those prior police complaint files so that we can attack falsified police reports or reports based on racism or violence, unlawful violence by officers when we're in criminal court. So that's what this video is about, is that if you think that you're also a victim of rampant racism and corruption, you need to take action and go file a complaint at your local police department because it can help not just you, but others who are also wanting to address violations of their rights.